Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Bob with Homestead here. So this morning I got a few minutes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install that outlet and that outlet. We can take a couple minutes here this morning. Actually using the spotlight, that's how dark it is outside. So with that being said, so the first thing I gotta do is put a couple holes in the back of the boxes we're going to put up in there, because they're only 1-inch boxes and the ceiling's like 1.5 inches. So what we do this where the other pliers have randomly disappeared like normal. I put a hole right in the middle. And I'd be very careful because this is how I put the hole in my hand. So over here, beat the wire through. Now, I should actually take this and get completely out of the way. We got a black wire, we got a white wire, and then we got the sheathing, which, let's get rid of that. And let's get rid of the paper on the ground. And we got that accessible. Strip some wires here. Not far enough. There we go. The wire was a little beat up from when I drilled the hole, which is normal for me. All right, let's get that churn. The ground churn is that. This is gonna be the bedroom, and the bed sits up really high. So there was no use putting them at the floor level that you would never be able to reach. So I put them up high where we can use the back corners of the back of the bus as a shelf, or I can put a small shelf in the corners. So like, you can put a shelf there, because the way the bed's gonna be is that, oh, that's right, that's something I wasn't gonna say yet. What is it? But anyways, so there's gonna be all that there, so it's either gonna be, you can put something down there, or I'll make small shelves up here to put something up top. All right, so the ground's hooked up. White to silver. Let's get you in there. Let's get to it. Get it in. Ow. Ow. And then we'll get the black one in. All the way. Tighten them up. Now I have two other ones up, and I'm sure somebody's gonna ask me, why is the ground up instead of down? Well, the ground is up because this is actually the way to really do it. And the way it's designed where if you had a plug in there and it was loose and something fell down onto it, that it would hit the ground and not the hot wire. Because if it hit the hot wire, there's a good chance you're gonna have a fire. Where if it hits the ground, it's protected. So we get that. Let's take the insulation. Move it back out of place. Put it in place. Now, because 2 of these are already done, so to make it, obviously, if it's gonna give me a hard time, which that's tight, ain't going nowhere. Take the cover, get that itty bitty screwdriver, which is right here. And voila, it's in there. So, the odd thing with this is that there's a little gap on each side because obviously it's in the round part. So I'm just gonna take some black silicone and fill it. You won't even be able to tell. But that way, you have your outlet getting ready to do the other side from the closet. Now, I've actually gone down through and did, here's one for the bathroom, but I'm gonna change this out to a GFI. And here's the one that's mounted up high. This is where the microwave shelf's gonna go. And the microwave's gonna sit here and the plug's gonna be up there. So in all reality, I got 4 that are up on the ceiling. Now, 3 of them are done. This one here is gonna have double wire going into it because it's gonna feed from the breaker to the outlet, and then the outlet, it runs over to the other outlet. And this is the only one that's 2 on one lot, one feed. So let's get this one in.
Put the insulation back out of place. Put the box up in. Pull it back out. It's upside down. No, I can't get it out. That I did not expect.
Just to show you what I mean. Now look, I put a couple holes in there. All right, plenty of holes. There we go, peeling out. I'll see it at the end first. There it is. And there we go. I'll show you. I don't know if you see up there, or there it is, but covers up the hole. When it dries, you'll never know, and that's what we're looking for. So, with that being said, I hope you like this video. Give me a big thumbs up. If you do, don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Other than that, we'll see you on the next one.